Hello everyone. I am going to explain about peaceful mind. Generally, peaceful mind is when our mind feels calm, relaxed, and free from stress. In this modern life, many of us are getting depression and anxiety because we we sleep late, we do not drink enough water, we engage ourselves in social media too much, we do not spend our time with friends, we do not do exercise, we do not get enough nutrients. Due to all these factors, we probably have chance to get depression and anxiety, which leads to unpeaceful mind. So to get peaceful mind, you can read books, you can do exercises, you can spend your time with friends, or you can spend yourselves alone up to 15 minutes in a peaceful place to get peaceful mind. Okay.